Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 2958, length of longest subarray with at most k frequency. LeetCode problem number 2958, length of longest subarray with at most k frequency. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in an array. An array is called good if the frequency of each element in this array is less than or equal to k. Return the length of the longest good subarray of nums_dot_. For example, given nums equals 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, k equals 2, the expected output is 6. We can use a brute force approach to solve this problem by checking all possible subarrays. We can iterate over the array, and for each element, we can check all possible subarrays starting from that element. For each subarray, we can count the frequency of each element and check if it is less than or equal to k. If it is, we can update our answer with the length of the subarray. The complexity here is n cubed. We can use a sliding window approach to solve this problem. We can maintain a frequency map of the elements in the current window. We can iterate over the array, and for each element, we can add it to the frequency map. If the frequency of any element exceeds k, we can remove elements from the start of the window until the frequency is less than or equal to k. We can update our answer with the length of the window at each step. The complexity here is n. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. We start by initializing the maximum length of the subarray. We iterate over the array, and for each element, we start a new window. We initialize the frequency map for the current window. We add the current element to the frequency map. We check if the frequency of the current element exceeds k. We update the maximum length of the subarray. We move to the next element in the window. We add the next element to the frequency map. We check if the frequency of the next element exceeds k. We update the maximum length of the subarray. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.